What is up, family? We out here. It's me and your boy WENISTV at the car meet, middle of nowhere. There's enough shenanigans going on out here that we're hoping that the spotlight doesn't get turned on us because we're just two little stunters. So we're gonna try to bust some wheelies tonight. I'm riding on a new tire. This is the Shinko Raven. I've been running the Advance, which is a little bit not so curvy. This is a little bit more of a cornering tire. I've heard the Apex is really good. Haven't tried that one yet. I hope my camera angle is good enough. There we go. We're gonna run with that. Here comes the WENIS. Witness. Bless up. Anyways, so run a new tire. Hopefully everything works out okay. I've been on it just a little bit just to get that sheen off of it. So it does feel a little different circling it. I can't tell if it wants to dip more or less. Hey, Dad. And we're gonna see. So tonight's all about a little bit of progress, things that I'm focusing on, like goals tonight. Really big on wanting to learn some more foot in the seat stuff, because I really do 98% of my stuff in seat stander, and getting good death spins and stuff like that has a lot to do with, you know, using your foot in the hole in the seat, because your leverage point is a little bit different. So you got a little bit more to work with. For now, I will talk when I ride, because I know I need to do that a little bit more, but whatever. When I tell you guys that, fuck, what was I gonna say? That blew my fucking mind. Oh, haha. When I tell you guys that it never fails, every time I put my helmet on, the top of my head goes to itching. Like, it's always gonna itch in a place that I can't scratch it, and that makes me big mad. So, am not pleased. First wheelie. There we go, it's something. Hole in the seat. That was okay. Except the part where I dropped my bike. Well, that was fucking wonky. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, so I'm working on transitioning to putting my foot in the hole. I'm not used to that round of a tire either, so I'm only running, the tire's new, so I'm only running like 30 psi in it. In the lot, call me crazy, I really like to run 40. I know for the streets that's trash, but in the lot, I find that my bike dips a lot easier, and I have a way better time controlling it if I run 40. So, personal preference, everybody's different. Oh shit, too much send. Yeah, something about moving your body. When you put more of your weight in your rear seat, you start to lean her back like this. Old Dad's working on some stuff over here. See, that's what, in my opinion, that's what makes good riders even better. Wes has been riding for 10 years or something along the lines of that, and he still comes out here, still humbles himself, and tries to make sure that you know, he learns new stuff. And who the fuck is this? Hey, lady. Feliz cumpleaños. Uh-oh, who that? You're gonna do what? Wrap donuts backwards. Oh shit. I'm gonna move, because I'm scared. What a fucking pancake. I know she didn't like that.